Hi there, this is the Gigabyte AERO X16 EG61H. It's a multi-purpose machine packed with some solid hardware. Opening it is pretty straightforward, so let's dive right in. 10 Phillips head screws hold the bottom panel in place. Use a thin plastic tool to pop the rear of the laptop, then work your way around the other three sides. This notebook is powered by a 76.1 watt-hour battery. To take it out, carefully unplug the battery connector by pulling it downwards. Then undo the 4 screws securing it to the chassis. Battery life is solid. You can expect a bit over 7 hours of 4K video playback on a single charge. You get 2 SODIMM slots that support up to 64 gigabytes of DDR5, 5,600 RAM. Storage-wise, there are 2 M.2 slots for 2280 Gen 4 NVMe drives. Just keep in mind that the bandwidth of the right slot is halved. The Wi-Fi 6E card is also upgradable. The WindForce Infinity cooling features 2 decent-sized fans, 2 heat pipes shared between the 2 chips, and the fin stacks. You also get 1 dedicated pipe for each chip and 4 heat sinks. The CPU and GPU are cooled by 2 metal plates sitting on top, which also make contact with the VRMs and memory chips. Let's take out the cooling system. Detach the fan connectors, then undo 2 screws for each housing and 5 more around the CPU and GPU. Note that the bottom fan screws are hidden beneath some overlapping cables. Carefully pop off the cooling assembly with a pry tool to reveal the thermal system's base, the 12-core AMD CPU, and the RTX GPU. Check out our full review at techpowerup.com.